So I am a little late jumping on this bandwagon. If you guys know, I love a good strong brow gel. Why am I not focusing? Hello? So I love a really strong brow gel. So I seen this Got to Be Glued, and this is the 2-in-1 brow and edge gel. Got to Be Glued is honestly one of my favorite things to like put my baby hairs down when I'm wearing a ponytail, and I used to put it in my brows because I loved how strong it is. So I have high hopes for this. High hopes. So let's just get right into it. So this is going to be a short video, just a quick review. It looks like so. Yellow tube. Let's look at the applicator. Ooh, okay. So it's one of those applicators that have short bristles on one side and then long bristles on the other. Honestly, I think I can make this work. All right. At least it has bristles. I was scared that it was going to be all plastic, but it's not. All right. So let's go ahead and put this into our brows. Ooh, okay. I can already feel it starting to build and starting to hold my brows in place, which is very exciting. Yeah, with a normal brow gel, my eyebrows would not be standing up like this. It just wouldn't. It would take like 4 or 5 coats, and then even then they fall. But this, I haven't even finished my first coat yet, and it's already staying up. Ooh, that's really pretty, guys. Wow, that really actually lifted my brows. And then look at this one. All right, let's do the other one. If you guys like this everyday makeup look, I did put a video up teaching you how to do it, just so you know. I really like to get it in there before it starts to dry. This is my good brow, so this is gonna look really good. Look at that. Okay, that's a little much. That's it. It's a little much. So we're just going to tame that out a little bit. That is so pretty. And you know what else? It's not lifting up my foundation. That's really pretty. Look at that. I have nothing else in my brows. That went on very nicely. All right. Ooh, this also has castor oil in it. That's really cool. All right. Got to be, I see you. All right. I'm actually going to put this in my rotation for like everyday use and see how much I like it. They feel very much set in place. Like they have, it gives me like that feeling of like Anastasia brow gel, the freeze, but not as crunchy. And I kind of like that. I actually like the way my brows look right now. Honestly, it looks pretty good, guys. All right, let me do my lashes and I'll be right back. I did my lashes and these dried completely. I'm gonna say it's a pretty good hold, guys. It's not gonna be as stiff as the brow freeze from Anastasia, but for the price, you can't beat this. It looks good, I'm not gonna lie. I'd say go get yourself some if you're looking for something a little bit newer to use on your brows. I have not used it on my baby hairs yet here when I put my hair in a slick backed ponytail, but I bet it's good. I bet it's really good. It's kind of nice that you can see both, or that it can do both. Yeah, all right. Well, that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love y'all. Bye. Mwah.